Let's discuss what type of roles you can hire in the Philippines and what they cost. It's probably not what you think. So I ran my entire company in the Philippines. So we had sales roles, marketing roles, product roles, development roles, HR, operations, customer service. So I just want to open up your eyes to the wide spectrum of the type of roles you can hire. It's so much more than just a VA. And the best part, the cost may surprise you as well. Let's jump in. Okay, welcome back to the presentation. So the next part here is talking about what type of roles and what they actually cost. So most people think about hiring overseas as just virtual assistants. So the term virtual assistant is typically referred to somebody who just does a bunch of different general tasks. Most of these related to admin related. However, I want to open your eyes up to the possibility that there's a much larger spectrum of the different roles you can hire. And so, for example, with our old company, with about 40 people, we had people working in sales and marketing and business development, in technical development, in quality assurance, in customer support, operations, project management, accounting, bookkeeping, all sorts of different roles. And the entire company was ran in the Philippines. So let's talk about what type of roles and what they cost. So there's executive assistants, there's virtual assistants. So the main difference between a virtual assistant and an executive assistant is typically an executive assistant is someone working closely with the founder, the CEO, managing calendars, emails, things like that. A virtual assistant is usually more of a generalist, a jack of all trades. There's also a lot of business development representative roles. There's a lot of great technical talent. You can find full stack developers. A ton of financial analyst roles, accounting, bookkeepers, anything you need on that side. There's tremendous amount of talent when it comes to designers and graphic design, video editors, a lot of marketing roles such as social media, SEO, paid ads, and of course, operational roles is where they really excel, which are customer service, operations managers, project managers. And so something we learned from our experience was in the Philippines, they were incredible when it came to operational roles, but we still kept a lot of the strategy in-house in the US stateside. And so the new structure that I see a lot of companies work in is they have their core strategic team located in the US, maybe just a handful of people, and then they outsource all of the execution to the Philippines. And so I think that's a very cost-effective structure to be able to implement and execute your strategy.